Welcome to the 1 Minute Profit Recipes series. The series will focus on one key hotel or restaurant business or financial concept in each 1 minute video. This 1 minute video is all about how restaurant table turnover casts its magic on restaurant revenues. Table turnover is one of the most powerful KPIs, key performance indicators for restaurants. In this example, we will look at Taste Buds Restaurant, a fictional 40-seat restaurant. We will see how it can boost its restaurant revenues by increasing its covers served and leveraging the table turnover ratio concept. We will use 3 different situations of covers served. As we can see, the more the number of times a restaurant has covers served compared to its seating capacity, the higher the table turnover. How did we calculate table turnover? Table turnover is simply the ratio of covers served to seating capacity. Let us assume an average check of $10 here and calculate revenues. Clearly, the higher the table turnover, the higher the revenues for the Taste Buds restaurant. Note that higher revenues are achieved with the same seating capacity. This is the power of table turnover. Increases in table turnover result in increase in revenues and eventually profits. Profit gets increased by utilizing the same asset, which is the seat, more than once. Table turnover is not the same across not only different restaurant types but also meal periods. So what is the takeaway for this profit recipe? It is simply that if a restaurant serves more covers than its seating capacity, it will bolster its revenues and eventually profits.